I'm just here with Elsa Pataki. So I wanted to ask you, what's your morning ritual look like?
My morning ritual, where I wake up with like a few kids like screaming to me, like and just like mom, mom, and so if I have a little bit of time, for me, it's like I won't just like move of my bedroom without moisturize my face. Yeah, I actually tried to do like a little bit of massage, like the muscles to just get them up a little bit from here to this area.
Oh yes.
So
that's
I'm
kind of
trying
pressure
to
points.
move pressure points and just like up, like kind of like a little bit of a lifting just with your hands.
Yes.
And like waking up also, I try to jump in the pool, in the cold pool, or like a cold shower. I do that.
Do you do that in winter as well, or just in summer?
Yeah, no, I tried in winter too.
Do you drink coffee as well? Is that like in addition to coffee?
So I don't drink coffee. I never drink coffee.
Really?
No,
Tea?
no, I get green tea. I just like been mixing green tea
healthy.
with mate.
With mate.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And do you meditate or do any other little?
When I have time, like try to meditate. Like when I have like sometimes before I go to sleep, I try to have like at least 10 minutes. But like it's just hard.
Hard with
sometimes
kids, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, lovely. That sound like very good rituals to get into.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Lovely to
Thank
chat.
you.